Imagine this, you're a college student living a normal life, and suddenly, real police arrive at your house. They handcuff you, your neighbors watch. You're thrown into a car and taken to prison, except your crime was never real. Today I tell you about Stanford Prison Experiment.
In 1971, inside Stanford University, this psychologist started one of the most disturbing psychology experiments in history. The goal? To discover how power changes human behavior. 24 ordinary college students were selected. Half became prisoners, half became guards. But to make it realistic, the prisoners were actually arrested by real police officers from their homes. Then they were locked inside a fake prison built in Stanford's basement. At first, everyone treated it like a joke, but within hours, things changed. The guards started wearing sunglasses, carrying batons, and calling prisoners by numbers instead of names. Slowly, they stopped seeing them as humans. Punishments became cruel. Prisoners were forced to do exhausting exercises. Some were denied sleep. Some were mentally humiliated in front of others. And the prisoners? They broke down emotionally. One prisoner cried uncontrollably. Another started screaming and had a complete mental collapse. And remember, these weren't criminals. They were normal students just days earlier. The most terrifying part? Nobody instructed the guards to become abusive. The power itself transformed them. Even Zimbardo became so involved in his role as prison superintendent that he ignored the suffering happening in front of him. The experiment was supposed to last 14 days, but it was shut down after only 6, because it had become dangerously real. Years later, the Stanford Prison Experiment became famous worldwide, but also heavily criticized. Many experts believe participants were manipulated, and some behaviors may have been exaggerated. Still, the experiment revealed one chilling truth. Under the right system, ordinary people can become terrifyingly cruel.